So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 7 to 11 November 2022. Now, US30 on a weekly time frame, after a retest on this key level, it faced some price ejection and then again it found support at this key level, which also has multiple retest points that you can see even better on a shorter time frame. Now, US30 has a support at this key level and also it has a resistance at this key level, and we need US30 to make a breakout of this resistance level with further bullish momentum for US30 to make a breakout of this higher time frame downtrend line to continue pushing up to retest this next key level with multiple major retest points, as you can see over here. And also we need a breakout of this support level from US30 with further bearish momentum for US30 to continue pushing down to retest this key zone or any other key level over here, moving in respect to this downtrend channel over here. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see the same key levels and zone, and also we can see US30 also moving in respect to a very strong and a possible uptrend line like this with these retest points over here. So if US30 is to continue pushing up in respect to this uptrend line, then it needs to respect this key level as its support and make a breakout of this high with further bullish momentum to come retest this key level over here. Similarly, if US30 is to continue moving in respect to this higher time frame downtrend line, it needs to make a breakout of this uptrend line, which means it needs to make a breakout of this support level with further bearish momentum to continue pushing down. Now let's go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame. Then in this 4-hour time frame, you can see the same key levels and zone and also this uptrend line over here, and also you can see our recent support at this key level and also our resistance at this key level on a higher time frame point of view. But in between these two key levels, we also have another key zone right around here with multiple retest points. Now on the upcoming week, if US30 continues to respect this key zone or this key level as its resistance and makes a break and close below this key level, then we can go to shorter time frame like a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame and wait for some structure to be formed over here after it makes a break and close below this key level, and then we can look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further bearish momentum, something of a structure like this one that US30 formed over here, which you can see even better on a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame. So such a structure to be formed, wait for such a structure to be formed over here after it makes a break and close, and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure to avoid some fake outs or stop loss hunt over here in hopes of US30 coming all the way down to make a retest on this next major key zone, which you saw on the weekly time frame over here with multiple retest points, or all the way down to make a retest on this next key level which you see on the daily time frame with multiple retest points as part of US30's this higher time frame downtrend channel move, by US30 finding resistance at this key level and by US30 still respecting this downtrend line and going for another swing like this. However, if we see US30 continuing to respect this low as its support and making a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum, then we can similarly, the way we look for trades on the short side over here, we can similarly with the same strategy start to look for trades on the long side after a break and close does happen in hopes of US30 coming all the way up to make a retest on this next key level with multiple major retest points over here. So let's see how US30 reacts towards this key level or this key level on a higher time frame point of view, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side. And for the time being, you can also look for trades in between these two key level by going to even shorter time frame like 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame. So I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart also in the video description down below. So that's my analysis on US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on US30.